Do you know many people are having trouble with their Toyota Camry Hybrid 2025 not auto-locking? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Check alarm status. Check if the alarm is active and if anyone inside the car has unlocked the door while the alarm is on. Step 2. Ensure battery charge. Ensure the 12-volt battery is charged or replaced, as this affects the auto-locking system. Step 3. Listen for pre-alarm. If a door is unlocked with the mechanical key, listen for the pre-alarm sound and lock it again within 10 seconds. Step 4. Close and lock doors. Deactivate the pre-alarm by closing all doors and locking them using the entry function or remote control. Step 5. Deactivate alarm system. Turn the power switch to a CC or ON or start the hybrid system to deactivate the alarm. Step 6. Avoid system modification. Do not modify or remove the system to ensure the auto-locking feature works correctly. By following these steps, your Toyota Camry Hybrid should auto-lock properly when you leave the car. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.